Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. It's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your Facebook app. And once you're in here, tap on your profile right here at the top right or at the bottom right if you're using iOS. All right, I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. Now, once we're in here, just go ahead and scroll down a bit until we find settings and privacy. We're going to want to tap on it. And here in the section, just tap on settings. All right, tap on it and this page will load. What we're going to do here is just scroll down a bit until we find this section, audience and visibility. All right, we're going to want to scroll down a bit until we find blocking right here. Just tap on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here in this page, this is the list of the person or the people that you have blocked. Now, to unblock one, just go ahead and tap on unblock right here besides the profile or the page name. All right. Say, for example, I'm going to unblock this one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on unblock. It says here, if you unblock this page or this person, they may be able to see your timeline or contact you, depending on your settings, of course. And it says here, you'll have to wait 48 hours if you want to block this page or person again. All right. If you're really sure that you want to unblock them, just go ahead and hit on unblock. And once done, the page or person will be removed on your block list. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.